It's the final moments of a 5-year presidency, taking personal belongings from the office of the National Palace. Haitian President Michel Martelly marking his final minutes in office, taking pictures, walking the halls to say goodbye to even the secretaries. Then it's down the stairs for the final time. Walking out to a grateful staff. Martelly fighting back the tears. But this is a president who lives in the moment, and that makes him no match for emotion. Unconventional until the very end. Dancing with security guards with big guns on their backs. Martelly told me he had one final act as president.
When you offer them a bus a gift?
Turning over a social program he started for people who used to live on the streets to drive vans to earn a living. Haiti's constitution says Martelly must be out of office 1 minute after midnight Saturday night. President Michel Martelly leaving the grounds of the palace for one final time as president of his country. It's democracy at work, but sometimes democracy can be messy, powerful,